Hello guys, today in this video tutorial I will be showing you how we can install Zoom on Windows 10. As you know, since the pandemic of COVID-19, all workplaces are going online, so one of the tools they usually use is Zoom. You can use Zoom for chatting with your friends, video conferencing. This is the free tool, and I'm going to show how you can download. So go to the zoom.us. Uh, so then click on resource and download Zoom client. Here we have several options: Zoom client for meetings, Zoom plugin for Microsoft Outlook, Zoom plugin for IBM Knoll, so on and so forth. Since I will be downloading this Windows 10, you have the Zoom client for meetings. Just click on download, and once download finishes, let's wait here. You can click on that one. The exe file will start to installing on Windows 10. Yeah, let's wait, be patient. So yeah, now it will launch the application here. Yeah, and what you can do is you can join a meeting. You need to have a meeting ID and you have your username, or you can sign in, and if you have an account, enter your email, enter your password, sign in. If you don't have it, please, you can create any account. That's very easy. Thank you guys. Subscribe to my channel. I will putting more this kind of tutorial videos. Thank you.